I have something to show you guys that fell on my hand. Gosh, it fell on my hand. So I opened this. Okay, I opened this thing and I think from here it fell on my hand. Okay, so I went like this, fell on my hand right here. Okay, and then I just, yeah, thought it was a gecko, but it's not. It wasn't a gecko. It was this giant centipede. Look how giant it is. Let me show you. Here's my hand. Okay, and then here's my finger. Ooh. We took out the fang, or whatever you call that poisonous fang it has. We took it out, I think. Hopefully we did, otherwise let's check. What am I planning to do with this thing? Well, I'm just letting you know that it got on my hand. It just dropped on my hand, and then I removed it. It didn't bite me. Oh my goodness. Not that I was wanting it to bite me, but yeah. Jeez, it's huge. North Tenorio. Agrigan. And this is my Agrigan. This is my doggy. This is North Agrigan and South.